Okay, now tell me, do you all cook at home? No. Why not? Shall I teach you something that you all can do? Today, will you cook and give it to Mama? Shall we do it? Okay, before that, all of you tell me, which vegetable is this? Correct. It's called cucumber. Now, tell me, which vegetable is this? Tomato. That's right. What's the color of the tomato? Yes, it is red. Now, I am going to teach you to cook without fire. Always mama cooks at home on the gas and there is fire, and that is dangerous for children. So today we are going to cook without the fire. Are you ready? Say yes. Okay, I request all the parents to assist your children with using knife and all, because it could be dangerous for them to use it. Kindly bring plate, bread. I want 2 slices of bread. Is everybody ready? I'll give you a minute's time to get ready with the ingredients. I want cucumber, tomato, some tomato sauce. And we would also require peeler and a knife. First, what do? Let us all peel the cucumber. Okay? Let us cut the edge. And all of you do this. You know what happens by doing this? The bitterness in the cucumber is gone. Shall we all do this? I request all the parents to help the children. Let's cut the other end also. And let's do the same. Nice. Now, I'm going to take a peeler and take the skin off. Can parents please help the children with this? Yes, that's nice. Come on, all of you do it. Can we peel it? Because I washed both of it. I've washed both of it. Kindly go wash the tomato and the cucumber. Okay, now we've peeled it. Next, what do? Let's cut the cucumber like this. I want thin slices, okay? Let us all cut the cucumber. Are you all done cutting the cucumber? Very good. I can see you all doing it. That's nice. I'll give you time to cut the cucumber. I want thin slices. And children, before eating or before cooking or touching anything, you should always wash your hands. Okay? You should neatly wash your hands and then touch eatables. Good children. Now, let me slice the tomato. Vegetables are healthy food, right? How many vegetables can you all name? Shall we all name some vegetables? Who can name? Come on, all of you, one by one. Yes, correct. Potato, tomato, cucumber, beetroot, bitter gourd. Come on, tell me, all of you. What other vegetables do you know? Pumpkin, 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 run, run, run. Are you all ready? Let us all cut the tomato into thin slice. Are you all ready with tomato and cucumber? Is it cut? That looks wonderful. Now, take one piece of bread. If you have a sandwich bread, then you can cut it in between because it will be too big. Since my bread is small, I think I'm going to use the whole thing. Are you ready? Now, place one tomato and one cucumber. Come on, go on placing alternatively. One cucumber, one tomato. One cucumber, one tomato. One cucumber, one slice tomato. Did you all do it? That's nice. It looks so wonderful. Very good, children. Now, if you have mayonnaise at home, you can use it. Since I have it, I'm going to use it. If you don't have it, don't worry. It will still taste yummy. Okay? I will put some mayonnaise. I will take a spoon and I will spread it all over. Do you all have tomato ketchup at home? I have tomato ketchup inside this bowl. Can you all see it? Now I'm going to take a little bit of it and I will again spread it over. Can we spread it neatly? What did I do? I took a slice of bread and I put cucumber and tomato. I placed it on the bread alternatively and I put some mayonnaise and tomato ketchup. Very good, Neela. Good, Krishna Yadav. Okay, I can see all of you put tomato ketchup. It's going to be yummy. Are you all done with it? Now, take another slice of bread and put it on top of it. Good, Mohit. And press little bit, not too much, okay? Let me go ahead and see who all are doing it. Manasa, is it ready? Is your sandwich ready? Vaishnavi? Sudanva? Shanvi Murli? Hey, is your sandwich ready? Are you all following my steps? Good, children. Arya, I can see your yummy sandwich getting ready. Hey, Rihanna. Are you making the sandwich, Rihanna? Very good, Mansi. Good, Arav. Monica. Good job. Sambrav, are you making it? Very good. Let's see who else. Snitik, is it ready? Hi, Mohammed, is your sandwich ready? Can I see it? Very good, Yukti. Ah, nice, Mohammed. Hi, Chinmay. Are you making a sandwich? Very good. Are you placing the vegetables on the bread? Good. Vegetables are healthy food. Sanaya, what are you doing, baby? Is your sandwich ready? Nice, Laksha. Nice job. Yashaswini, good. Oh, Laksha, are you ready to eat? Nice. Vilasini, have you placed all the vegetables on the bread? Hi, Laksha. Good. So you are not like, oh, I can also see some children already eating it. Okay, wait for me, kids. Okay, now your sandwich is ready. Hooray! Who cooked today? You all cooked sandwich today. Wow! Let's clap for you all. Do you all want to eat the sandwich? You all want to eat? Will you share it with your mama?